Muriri wa TKUC Raila Odinga nameneretie makarega ya yuthi kwa watu otayara wita na mbere akiwa thirikari ni bathiro chunkuna mantu ya mpui muno no ntiomba kureta mantu igie wagagia bokaria kaite no kauna wa Inspector General wa Polisi Douglas Kanja na kanukitia ati kuri na antu bo polisi watete otaya kiwa nguya polisi ni kuwata nyange na kubaikia kambi ya polisi mbere ya barudo wa Thitango nawe uthetiri wa Kioto Okiya Omtata nethirite akienda munene wa rwangiro DCI Amin Mohamed na Inspector wa Polisi Douglas Kanja ochebele obisi ne akiwa ni baremi ni ngwicio Anthony Kathenya aina ateto nkuluki
Kaita kana nto baingi bathite na mbere kumenire guteko na kura kwa imwana muteteri wa Kioto kia mwingine Senator wa Busia Okiya Omtata ni aumirite kumenirite ngoja wikaria ni kila kuganeje itongerite kina ebubu mearie ne Okiya Omtata ikija kaita kala polisi gwitokera Inspector munene wa Polisi Douglas Kanja muthenyo omde beteterete na kwebane mekarika mama na kugabala bakoro ntakiara kiri polisi kaba kwenda kuthukia rietwa ria gitengo kia polisi.
The police know what is happening, are behind what is happening, are supporting what is happening, and are doing everything possible to ensure that the abductors are not brought to book.
Kulingana na Okiya Omtata, Inspector munene wa Polisi Douglas Kanja na mutongelo wa DCI Amin Mohamed nibo babatele gucokia bile bibi bya kuragwa Kenya. Omtata akiwa Kanja na Amin babatele kwebo bisi nonto bakulema kurutango gijiao ja gutigira Kenya bena wikaria.
And Mr. Kanja and Mr. Amin bear the responsibility of these abductions. They are the ones in charge of the police force, and they are held personally accountable for what is happening. Otherwise, the two are incompetent to hold the offices they occupy and should resign with immediate effect for having miserably failed in their mandates of protecting Kenyans from enforced disappearances, which are gross violations of the rule of law.
Amwe noguo kagita gaka Okiya Omtata na ulitengo ni jawe karia kulekele musori mbisa Gideon Kibet amwe na Kenya Bange Billy Mwangi Peter Muteti na Bernard Kavuli balabate kire na bate kumenyekana nale bali Omtata kile thigina wagagu nyuma ya bamwe babalabate ketwe gutekwa nyuma kuthithia ndiongo bisi ni jiae amujwa Nairobi.
And I'm concerned about the security of people who are associating with me is not guaranteed. I'm not a criminal. I've only said that I want to kick Mr. Ruto out of office, and that's a constitutional duty I have if I feel he's not performing. And so I don't see why people who want to come and join my movement, the March of the People, should be targeted. So I really believe that these people are being targeted, and maybe a message is being sent to me. And you can see the audacity of coming to park a vehicle with a recording system outside my office. It's like telling me what to do.
Amwe noguo kagita gaka mutongere ngwatanire Azimio na muronga mikitikia AUC Raila Odinga ni amenerite mekarika mama na kule thirikari gutigira weki na ebobo nebo gokinya muthia.
You cannot live in a country where people disappear or people are abducted for no other reason and kept incommunicado for a long time. That shows that there's no government. The government must take this matter seriously, and this thing must end completely.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.